Hello traders, this is Franz here. Today we're gonna be going over something different. We're not gonna do a trade recap. If you guys wanna know my trades I took today, join the Discord, is down below. So we're gonna do a trade recap, or not a trade recap, sorry about that. We're gonna be going over how to see a bounce coming, basically. So if you look at SPY, if you were in the market this morning, you can see this huge sell-off and you can see this huge bounce right back up. So this can be very difficult for people. It's just the people that got short here are gonna get stumped out here. And how you play it is if you go to lower time frames, like the 3 minute. Let's go to a lower time frame. So at the start of the day, you can see this huge sell off. And if you got short like a stock or you got short the SPY, you would continue until you get another bar that's trying to break out this high. So a bar trying to break out the previous bar's high. So you stay short until you see this. This is when it starts chopping up. Everything stops selling off. Everything starts getting bought back up. So the people that got short here are going to get stopped out at these tops right here, the previous wicks. So you can go here. 1, 2, and then all the way up. So as you can see, it's chopping up. People probably got short here. They thought it was going to drill and then got stopped out here. So when you should enter a stock or SPY long. So as you can see here, this is a strong break of the SMA. And out of this, how do I put this? This trading range. So boom, boom. So this trading range right here, this is what we got stuck in this morning. And when you see this break and you see this uptrend, that's when you should be taking SPY long. I called the 439 calls. They went from 150. I mean, they're trading around 92, like around here, like 0.92, so $92. And then at the end of the day, they're trading around 200 somewhat. I kept long. But it's really easy to spot these bounces because of how strong they break the SMA. And if you're a stratter, you know, 2-2 continuation. Let me go over to, I didn't play this stock, but this is a perfect example of using the SMA. Perfect example. So today, boom. Remember what I was talking about, that little choppiness in the morning? So you got a higher high and you got a lower low right here. So this is the trading range. And if we go to a daily, let's go to a daily. This is, well, we can say a week's high. We can just do a week's high. We don't always have to go to this pivot. This is also a pivot. We can use this. So if we go back to the lower time frame, it passed today's choppiness, uptrend, and passed that week's high. So where do you expect it to go? Let's go to a daily. Oh, there's no magnitude, but if you know Moderna, you know this thing likes to run. So basically, you guys, if you guys are looking at this, you would know Moderna likes to run. So what you could do is you could get a call. This ATR, it's around $10 to $20, so you know it likes to move. So with that being said, as it goes up and you see the 9 SMA pointing up, you would be long. So you can expect like a $15 to $20 move. This went from 350. This is today, 345 all the way up to 387. That's a $40 move, $40+ move. So if you know stocks like this like to move, let's go over to Amazon. Perfect example. You won't see anything here because they had a huge sell-off due to earnings. But if you're here, Amazon is a mover. So let's go to lower time frames. So as you can see here, choppiness from SPY, sell off, choppiness, and boom, breakout. So your entry is long here. When the SMA is pointing upwards, you're gonna be long here. So you can see the stock is going up. This went from 3307 to 3369. So that's a $60 to $70 move in one day. That's insane. If you guys got long contracts, your contracts would probably be up thousands of percents from this huge move. So using the SMA, I switched from Thinkorswim because people were saying it was hard to see, so I put it on here. It's kind of hard to see the lower time frames on here, but as you can see, it breaks it out strong here and the SMA starts pointing up. So when you're in a, let's go to AMD. So when you're in a stock and the SMA starts pointing up, what you should do is you should use that to stay long the contract. Unless you see a curve here, let's look at 3. Sell off, choppiness, boom, breaks it out. Your entry is right here. Or right here. So you're in for this long. I called I don't need to say what I called. Just join the Discord. So basically, right here, it breaks this. As you can see, the SMA is pointing upwards. If you're long, you would be able to ride it all the way up here. Because as long as the SMA is pointing upwards and doesn't have this slight bend right here, you should be long the contract. So you should trim as it bounces or add as it bounces. That's why I like to use the SMA to add on bounces. We did that in the Discord around 11 to 1, somewhere around that time, but it was like, oh, it's a bounce, let's add. Boom. As you can see, quick 40 to 50% in minutes. It's insane. But as you can see, choppiness, breakout, you're in long. Use the SMA as a guideline. If it's going up, it's in the upward trend. If you see this, you're like, it's chopping. It's not really chopping because you can see the SMA is going up. But that was the video. I hope you guys understand how to see the bounces, how to play the stocks like this with the SMA. Is very simple. If the stock is in a downtrend, you follow the SMA down till it curls back up. So you want to pay attention to every detail while you're trading. But if that's it, make sure to join the Discord. Become an affiliate. Also, I did got this affiliate program. It will be in the description. Sorry about that. It will be in the description. So with this affiliate program, you guys know how everybody make money from like selling other people's products. You guys will basically do the same thing. So if you guys refer my book and get one sell, the money will directly be deposited into your bank or PayPal. So it's a win-win situation. If you guys want to do it, make sure to just join the Discord, ask about it, and if that's it, make sure you guys subscribe, turn bell notifications, and I'm out. If you guys still need help, I did create a book. The link will be in the description.
Space time.